Kids, today we will learn the names of countries starting with the letter T and their national flags. There are a total of 12 countries in the world that begin with the letter T. So come on kids, let's start our study. Taiwan, Taiwan. Tajikistan, Tajikistan. Tanzania, Tanzania. Thailand, Thailand. Timorleste, Timor-Leste. Togo, Togo. Tonga, Trinidad, Trinidad Tobago. Tunisia, Tunisia. Turkey, Turkmenistan. Tuvalu. So kids, these were the countries starting with the letter T and their national flags. If you enjoy watching knowledge-based videos like this, then be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks.